So I got the HHR tank off. To be able to get it off, you're going to have to put the jack stands under the spring axles so the crossbar is out of the way. I also disconnected the hangers for the muffler. And then you pinch clip these off. This tool works really good for that. This one I took off from the fuel pump. It's got that, 2 electrical connectors and the 2 bibs here. I'm replacing that, so I took that off first. So that is not in the way. That would be right there. So now I gotta clean the tank out. Hopefully it's empty. I don't think it's totally empty. Nope, totally empty. I had used a Harbor Freight manual fuel pump to get the gas out of the tank, and the reason why I didn't get it all out with that pump system is the hose did not reach far enough down the fuel filter to the bottom of the tank to get it all out. So I would not recommend using that one. And charcoal canister. Left in there is sacrifice. I'm not for sure if this was actually the original pump where this car was pushing 190,000 miles. And the pump was actually still working, but at this point, with all the problems I was having with the fuel system, I decided to put a new one in. Yeah. It's just full of charcoal bits from the vapor canister. Here's how the gas tank looked after I cleaned it up. Okay, what you're looking at here is the inside of the gas tank. After I had gotten all the gas out of it, then I used the gas tank cleaning kit, flushed that out with water, dried it out, and I was still finding bits of these charcoal pieces. They're just like the size of gravel or something. They're just real tiny. I flushed it multiple times with water, trying to get all these pieces out. I'd reach in there with towels and stuff and my finger if I could reach it and pick them out. And I think it took 3 or 4 times to get pretty much every piece out, because I didn't want to put a new fuel pump and have it get all clogged up again from these old particulates, which by the way, it's like you can tell if your vapor canister is bad. It's not too difficult to just take that off if you want. And if these charcoal bits come out of that when you tilt it, then it's already bad. I knew it was bad because when I bought the car, you couldn't fill the tank up without it shutting off every like quarter gallon or half a gallon, because somebody before me had overfilled it and ruined the canister. One more tip is, once you have the new fuel pump back installed into the gas tank and you get the connections on, make sure the connections have clicked into place, that they're really in there and they're not just pushed in and you think they're attached, because I did that and I had gotten the gas tank back up, mostly installed with gas in it at this point, and now the car wouldn't start. So I had to take the gas tank down again, and sure enough, the main connection to the fuel pump had not actually gone in all the way and it was no longer attached. So I just wanted to share a few things when I did my fuel pump replacement and the charcoal canister, evap canister. I have a link in the description of the products I used, and hopefully this might help you when you do the job yourself. As always, thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.